Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we are going to look at a process called stocktaking. What is stocktaking? Stocktaking is the process of manually counting and recording the actual inventory of one or more items that you hold in a particular location. Once the counting is done, the resultant inventory values from the stocktaking process are then compared against the inventory values of the same items either from your stock record book or from your inventory management software. Stocktaking, if done properly, will help in identifying problems, like damaged goods or missing items, early on. In the event of a mismatch between the counted stock value and the recorded stock value, one can conduct a thorough investigation, find the root cause, and update the correct inventory values into your records. What are some ways to stocktake your goods? While there are many stocktaking methods, businesses generally tend to either stocktake periodically, set up a perpetual system of stock counting, or rely on spot checks. That concludes our session on stocktaking. Let's meet again on another video with a new topic. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Cheers!